Great tips and tricks to stop snoring. It can be difficult to find useful methods to reduce your snoring, because this topic doesn't come up in everyday conversation. You will be able to know how to stop snoring through the helpful tips in the following video. Many snorers have found varying levels of relief by purchasing one of the many snore prevention products on the market. There are sprays to moisten the throat and nasal passages which can be effective in some cases. There are also nasal strips which pull the nasal passages open for a better airflow. If you have a snoring problem, avoid sleeping on your back. This position makes snoring more likely because of the way the soft palate and base of the tongue rest at the back of your mouth. Instead, sleep on your side. You are less likely to snore in this position and your quality of sleep will likely improve. While it may seem strange, you should wash or replace your pillows frequently to prevent snoring. If your snoring is allergy related, your pillows, which can house dust mites, dander, and other allergens, may be the culprits. Regular laundering or purchasing fresh pillows will keep these allergens to a minimum. Alternately, try hypoallergenic cases for your pillows. If you snore, sew a tennis ball on the backside of your shirt. The reason for this is that it will prevent you from sleeping on your back, which is the main position that a person snores in. If you do not have a tennis ball, you could use a baseball. Try to keep your head elevated when sleeping if you want to prevent snoring. Being in this position allows your muscles and airways to get in just the right amount of air, which lessens the chance that you will snore. Just prop some pillows behind your head or use a thick pillow. This video has offered you many different possibilities for you to reduce your snoring, and you should feel confident you are going to succeed. Try the different techniques suggested, and see what works best for you. Would you like to learn this easy, throat exercise, that eliminates your snoring tonight? Visit secretsnoringhack.com. Want to stop snoring tonight? This simple, 3-minute exercise, permanently eliminates snoring, as soon as tonight. Visit secretsnoringhack.com to learn all of this, and more. Link in the description.